Shenzhen Finicare Company Limited is a professional medical device manufacturer specializing in the design, development, production, and distribution of household healthcare products. Our core product portfolio includes infrared thermometers, digital thermometers, upper arm blood pressure monitors, and wrist BP monitors. Headquartered in Shenzhen, China, our 5,600 square meters manufacturing facility employs over 230 professionals. We have affiliated factories that own SMT workshops, injection molding factories, and silkscreen production lines, mastering a complete one-stop manufacturing process from raw material production, assembly, packaging, inspection to shipment. With a monthly production capacity exceeding 200,000 units, we maintain rigorous quality control through ISO 13485 certified management systems and ERP-driven operational processes, ensuring comprehensive oversight from R&D to final inspection and certified shipment. Our products meet international compliance standards including CEMD, RMDL, MDS APNMPA, RoHS FCC, and TGA certifications. Holding BSCI approval and MDS AP accreditation, we combine innovative R&D with sustainable manufacturing practices to deliver environmentally conscious medical solutions. Finicare offers OEM or ODM services with rapid order fulfillment, stock-ready models for immediate shipment, full lifecycle support from technical development to after-sales service. As an innovator in the infrared thermometer industry, Finicare has gained rich experience in the development, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service of thermometers. Finicare is cooperating with our partners and will further enhance our cooperation to achieve greater success.